Hi kids, a very good morning dear student. I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear student, in our previous class we have learned in and on. In means under, on means upar. Okay student, today we are going to learn study the concept of under and behind. Under and behind. U and D E R. Under. A and D and BEHIND behind. Under and behind. Under means नीचे. Under means नीचे. Behind means पीछे. Behind means पीछे. Use of under. US use OF of U and DER. Under. Yes friend. A CAT cat. U and DER. Under. A BED bed. Okay. cat कहाँ है? बेड के अंदर है, नीचे है. ओके. अ cat cat. अ under ER under. Under. अ DER under. A bed. A cat under a bed. Okay. Now next. A BOY by U and DER under a TREE. A boy under a tree. Tree. जो बॉय है वो कहाँ है? ट्री के अंडर है. ट्री के अंडर है. अंडर मीन्स नीचे. नाउ नेक्स्ट. A DOG dog. A dog under a CAR car. A dog a dog under a car. कार डॉग कहाँ है? कार के अंदर है, नीचे है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल a ball under a chair. A ball under a chair. Okay. A duster under a chair. Okay student. Now next, use of behind. Use of behind. BALL. A ball behind. BEHIND behind. A basket. BASKET basket. Okay. A ball behind. Behind. A basket. Basket. A basket. Okay. A ball behind a basket. जो बॉल है वो बास्केट के पीछे है, behind है. Okay. Now next. A TREE. A tree. BEHIND behind. A HUT hut. A tree behind a hut. ट्री कहाँ है? हट के behind है, पीछे है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट. A RABBIT. A rabbit. BEHIND behind. A GATE gate. जो रैबिट है वो भी गेट के पीछे है, behind है. A rabbit behind a gate. A rabbit behind a gate. For example, ये बॉल है. बॉय कहाँ है? मैम के behind है. मैम के behind है, पीछे है. ओके स्टूडेंट, do the